Hello, welcome to this introduction video for the OMC-7006 data buoy. My name is Rob Beun and I'm a sales engineer at Observator Instruments. I will show you the main features of this buoy. The OMC-7006 data buoy is intended for water quality monitoring. The idea is that you drop the buoy somewhere in the water and that it performs its measurements. The water can be a river, a lake, an estuary, a sea or whatever. You can measure parameters like dissolved oxygen, turbidity, pH and so on. The buoy will send its data using the mobile phone network to your computer. If there is no mobile phone network available, it can also use satellite communication or radio communication. Once the data has arrived at your computer, you can view the data and publish it on the website with nice graphs and tables and so on. The capabilities of the buoy will become more clear when I explain the details to you. Now let's have a look at the complete buoy first. This is the hull of the buoy with 3 solar panels around it. Here we find 2 anchor points, and this is the deployment tube, and inside the deployment tube is the sensor. In this case, in this video, we use an EXO multi-parameter sensor from YSI as an example. At the bottom we find a battery canister with 2 rechargeable batteries inside. The metal, by the way, is 316 stainless steel. Inside the hull is the electronics canister with the data logger and the modem and so on. And here on top we find the antenna for GPRS, for GPS, an optional radar reflector, and completely on the top there is a programmable signal light. Now your particular buoy may be slightly different if you have selected non-standard options, of course. But this is the standard buoy plus radar reflector. Okay, let's have a look at the electronics canister inside the hull. After removing the retaining clips, you can pull out the canister and everything on top. You can pull it out of the hull this way, and the sensor will also come along the same way through the hull, so you can pull everything out of the hull. This is the electronic canister. This part is normally inside the hull. The electronic canister is watertight, and normally you should not open the canister. We opened it now because I want to show you what is inside, but normally you can keep it closed. There's a USB plug on the outside and you can use that to configure the logger. So also configuring the logger is no reason to open the canister. I will now show you what is inside the canister. Okay, here we see the OMC-045 data logger. This data logger can be connected to a lot of different sensors. It supports most of the common interface standards. The logger has an internal GPRS modem and a GPS receiver. You can see the antenna connectors here. GPRS uses the mobile phone network. If that is not available, you can also use a radio or an Iridium satellite modem. You can put them here, connect them to the logger, and the logger will communicate with them. Here at the bottom, hardly visible for you, is the solar charge controller. These are the main components of the canister, and I think that is enough for the introduction of the buoy. If you need more information on the buoy, please have a look at our website. Also, if you are interested in how you can view the data from the buoy and how you can publish the measurement results on the internet, please have a look at our OMC Data online software that is also available on our website. Thanks for your attention.